I'm not gonna challenge the no firework restriction, but I just know a place which is not restricted.
Enchanté.
See the engine lights here? It says check the tracking system. And my sister says as long as it's drivable, it's considered not broken. So I guess that's the difference between men and women. Those are fireworks, and you might think, okay, it's not too much, and I saw the same before I actually come here. So this is my hand, and this is the box. What the hell? How many days they are going to finish this one? Golden fish. If you don't know what's this, now you know.
You ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's obvious you got me on blast, yeah. You're no fine, I've been done. We're so toxic.
I used to do push-up and abs workout only because it requires no weights and little space. I guess the downside is that you got to count for break time. Occasionally, I come across videos of HIIT and Tabata. The brilliant part is that you got an instructor to follow along as motivation. They also count the 10 or 20 seconds break time for different program. What's more, you may even combine your own movement to form your HIIT or Tabata to finish the whole process. So no more excuse. If you want to do the workout, then you can do it anywhere. Bought this one 2 years ago, but as long as it's usable, consider not to expire. Today is the last day that the gym will be open due to the Spring Festival. I want to test out the improvement of 2 of my gym skills. Maybe perform better in front of the camera. Who knows? Venga! And next movement I'm gonna try Kip Up. I'll just learn it for like 2 weeks, but let's see.
But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward.
You know what? Before leaving, I'm gonna try it one more time. So it's either made it or leave it to next year. Venga. I hope I can make it, but not sure. I guess next year.